If you
Ah!
not subscribe to this channel, you will be beat by
Hey, what's up,
tons of
guys?
Wakanda.
Your
All the
mom
Wakandas
gay.
will kill your ass.
Fucking niggers, let me onto this. The white team.
Simon, we already got demonetized. And you
I
probably
mean,
already said like a hate channel or something.
if you do not subscribe to us now, if you do not monetize us now, we will not talk to you today. No, I am not Ugandan. I am Wakandan. I don't know what the Ugandan is.
Uganda Knuckles?
Dude, that meme's dead.
Shut your
And
No
any scum child who likes it will die in 20 seconds.
Or like the video, I mean, I don't know.
Dude, this runs on my mom's computer so much faster. Oh my god. There's not a trace of lag. It feels so good.
You look really fucking laggy. Oh, by the way,
Wait, what team are we?
oh, I'm on blue.
Yes, I am on blue too.
Wait,
Right here.
where's the
What are
white
you
guy?
doing?
I want to be on the white team. I hate blue. Blue people suck. White is the superiority team.
Come on, I just changed the blue.
Simon, stop being a bitch.
Oh, this is what.
Leave my boat alone!
Fine then. You leave mine alone. Yeah, motherfucker.
My boat. This is from Wakanda.
Shut up. No one cares.
This boat is from Wakanda, and Wakanda does not care about you. No one
What
said
you
we
say
carry
about
me
Wakanda?
first. Jesus.
There's.
I would have Wakanda with that ass right now.
It's also good with Krill. Boy, no make a beat only fuck.
Oh shit. Why does it sound like the?
Knock your ass,
Why,
bro. Stop
why does
me
it
one
sound?
more time.
Why does it sound like the start of a porno? This is what the new Brazzers is gonna be like.
If you do not get off Wakanda, we will attack you with both. Oh, it is the Black Panther. He is here to save us.
No, he's not.
No one asked Simon Red and Smith. No one asked.
Shut up! Oh my god, I have to
Do not
censor
be
that.
quiet right now.
You son of a bitch, I have to censor that now. Fuck you.
If you still have to censor everything you just said.
I know. You're making my life a lot harder.
Yeah, I'm sure I want this boat to get going. Let's go.
Oh, it would be a shame if my dog started barking.
Wait.
It'd be a shame if everyone just got on the water.
Hold on, wait, I'm doing it, Dick. Stop.
Oh wait.
Oh my god.
If you do not get on this boat now, I will not help you get into Wakanda.
Get on, come on. Oh.
The Black Panther is dead.
Oh my god. Who's on white team? Who's the scumbag that's on white team?
Do that. Whoever the hell is do that, please get off the white team now. We do not want to hear. Oh shit, I am about to hit this rock.
I know about you guys, but I'm good.
I am Prince and Jobu.
How do I move to like the team thing again?
I moaned at my death.
Oh, there we go.
I'm still alive, mother. So, hey guys, this is MTV Cribs. You see, this is my stairway. This is my block, and I am pretty sure I'm gonna die.
I'm stuck in the ground.
Yeah, Jonathan's stuck in the ground.
Oh, stop saying our fucking names, Aiden.
Look what you just did.
This
So what
pep-
are we supposed to say?
This Pepsi's so fucking good.
Answer my question.
Jesus.
We're supposed to call each other by our names.
Alright, because Miss Jamie is gonna be like, why didn't you invite me?
Miss Jamie's is gonna pull up tomorrow. Like, hey yo,
Why'd you fucking
niggas,
invite me?
why didn't you fucking
What I
invite
tell
me?
you about
Dude,
not inviting niggas.
you remember when Alberto
Well, I
did
don't
his
hear anybody calling me legendary. Oof.
legendary oof? We're calling you 27.
Okay. Like 21 Savage, but
27.
27.
No sponsorship.
Yeah, sorry, 22 Savage, but we
Oh,
don't
I
fuck with
forgot.
you.
Hold on. You know that?
My game broke and died.
Yeah, Jonathan's stuck in the ground. I mean, Legendary's stuck in the ground.
Fuck, Hayden.
Now you gotta censor that too. For Miss Jamie started beat yo.
I can just imagine Miss Jamie pulls up tomorrow. Yo, I want to be in this video.
I'm in this video.
You know who else wanted to be here? George. But he's a fucking faggot.
Let's ask now how's joined.
No, they actually know Karen's gonna get pretty pissed. Oh,
No,
next
we're not
next
even
video.
supposed to say that.
Next video is gonna be my girlfriend and I had a breakup? Question mark. The cops involved.
Non-sexual?
Diamante Cosita alien abducted me. I'm dead.
Got sexual.
God.
Girlfriend didn't
The school gets angry? Whoa, I'm still
Simon,
alive.
Can you come the fuck back? I mean,
No! I don't know how far I am from the treasure, but I mean, damn.
if you do
Well,
not
I
come
mean,
back
like,
here
whatever
right
that-
now,
call that thing
Oh,
was.
I fucking died.
good. It's good that you died.
Oh, there's no one on the white team. Fuck you, loser.
I want to see that in the video. It's like, fuck you, losers. I'm on white team. I'd be Blizz Daddy.
Oh, fuck. Oh, I got rockets, remember?
Oh,
Oh, yeah, by the way, this is my first...
I remember when you put them backwards.
This is my...
It looks like when you flush the toilet, all the shit's flowing down the canal.
Hell. Why are we not moving?
We're flying.
Oh god, we're floating. We're fucked. Who put that thing down there?
What?
That thing in the middle.
What, you mean the flag?
Oh my god, we have to use one of these. It did nothing. Okay.
We're a spaceship.
We're a spaceship, we're flying. Holy shit.
We're flying.
Holy shit, we're floating.
Why is your jet engine going?
Wait, what? Why are both of them going? Who put both of them?
Deactivate them.
You can only use them once. So we've just basically fucked this entire mission. Oh my god, why do we float? We fucking float.
We're gonna survive.
We're gonna
We're
survive.
gonna survive. The other team, they're probably just like, what the fuck?
The rocks are just like.
We're like a Star Wars.
Let's see who'll survive first. I'll start a nigga with the throne.
Me? You see what I'm standing on? You see what's under me? The strongest material in the game, nigga. Oh shit, what's going on?
That's under you.
Why?
Silver.
What is
I
going?
guess he's gonna survive first. Well, I guess you gotta put in music and speed this up.
Oh my god! This is gonna. Why are we moving so fucking slow? Oh my god! Now I have to put in music and speed this shit up.
Wait, you see what the guy right up on that building?
To the right. What are they building?
Building like a house.
Oh shit!
We should do that.
Oh shit! Build a house. Oh my god! With jet engines.
If we do not go any faster, we cannot reach Wakanda in seconds. We are just slowing down. Who the hell thought putting the pole in front of us was a good idea?
I wonder.
I wonder for real. I wonder if I jump, I'm just gonna get out. Okay. Let's try to get this fucking thing moving. Y'all low-key see me outside?
Oh god! Stop! Stop jumping! Oh no! Oh my god! Stop! Stop!
Jonathan!
Ski, no!
He looks like shit going out of control.
We're still flying! Oh my god! Oh my god, my mom's calling me.
If you do not hurry right now,
Yes, Mom?
we cannot go anywhere. Okay, and you are right there talking to your mom.
Look at that guy.
Over.
Look at that guy.
Over there thought he could lose us, but we are winning in the first place. He thought he could sit on his throne and be relaxed.
Oh,
We are
shit.
the true kingdom.
Look,
Even
I'm-
though we lost the Black Panther.
Yeah, the Black Panther can go eat a sausage.
If the Black Panther is stealing this call, you might see it. Never mind.
No? Okay, I live there.
We are about to go back home. Why are you not here?
Yeah, why aren't you here, Black Panther, huh? You jumped out! Holy shit, oh god. Sorry, I'm jumping out. Maybe we can move
Why?
move it this way. Oh my god, we can steer the ship. If I move this way,
This is CRPs, but in Roblox.
I can...
Damn it, Casita abducted me. I'm dead. Damn it, Casita.
What the fuck?
What the fuck is going on?
If I...
What was that?
Holy shit!
Franklin, sit down.
Holy fuck, what the fuck? Oh god, no. I don't wanna die. Oh, I don't wanna die, holy shit.
Aiden, your seat got destroyed.
Aiden, oh my god, what the fuck?
My seat got destroyed, but I lived with the sliver of us.
Ah! Aiden, what are you doing? Aiden, you gotta do something, Aiden. You're like about to fall. Oh my god.
Stop!
I don't know how he's still living right now, Jay. I don't know how I'm
Holy shit.
Please, we do not want to get copyright issue right now. We are not using our music for the purposes of promotion of ourselves.
Holy
for
fuck.
the promotion of... see that bitch over there? We're gonna fucking...
Oh yeah, wait, I forgot our sponsor.
Oh my god! We're not gonna live!
I am. I don't know about you.
We're not living.
Are we so close?
Sit down, sit down.
Okay.
You can't. You're just vibrating in one place. Ah! Don't you try to kill me? Who's our sponsor?
Reddit and Link. Reddit and Link. Holy
No
shit.
way.
Yes.
Rit and Link are not our sponsors.
It says it here. I just got the email from YouTube. How are you doing? Hello, Nigward. Have things on your channel slowed a little? Don't be discouraged. Building a channel. Oh, fuck. No, no. Oh, I'm dead.
Building a chat.
Building a channel on YouTube isn't really a spirit for anybody. It's like a marathon. If you don't stick to making what you love, you've got as much of a chance as anyone else to grow a channel like other people do.
Jonathan, where are you?
Feel like you could use a little inspiration. Reddit and Link would like to sponsor you. Stay motivated behind the scenes video.
Skeen, do you hear that? We got an actual sponsor from Rhett and Link.